American car dealers are looking for seat covers for 1995 models. Factory has discontinued production. Can't find matching seat covers. Custom shops are charging over 1,000美元。He found our factory on WhatsApp. Sent the original car seat covers to us for customization. We offered reasonable pricing, 1:1 replica of the original car seat covers. The customer was satisfied with the solution and received the cover. We received the package days later. Opened the seat cover sent by the customer. The seat covers are worn and faded. We can only find areas that are not worn or faded to match the leather color card. The customer is very satisfied with the leather color. Cut the seams and restore the original car seat parts. Lay the original car seat parts flat on the leather. Draw the size of the original car seat piece at 1:1. Mark the location of each punch hole and then cut. We use state-of-the-art machines to scan the cut seat parts and create the patterns. The cutting machine cuts the seat cover parts according to the pattern. Cutting is complete, sewing begins. Our customization team has more than 20 years of experience and superb skills. We use double-sided sewing to restore the original car 1:1, which is more solid. Sew accessories such as card strips to the corresponding positions. Each piece is perfectly connected at the joint. After the seat covers are sewn, our quality inspection department will check the seat covers. Cut off the excess thread. If it is not up to standard, it will be reworked. Take a look at the comparison between our seat covers and the original car seat covers. It is amazing. Our shipping department will pack the seat covers once they are received. Communicate with customers to use bagging to reduce volume and reduce shipping costs. Add a layer of anti-cut film to ensure that the seat cover will not be damaged during transportation. Your old car seat covers can also be given a brand new look. Please tell me the model and year.